Here's a complete tutorial on pair Apple Watch with the new iPhone. Here's Jay and I will see how to set up. Before starting, ensure that your iPhone and Apple Watch has been updated. First of all, unpair the Apple Watch from old device, check the video given in the description, pin the comment, and tap the button to unpair completely. We can do this under the Watch app, under the All Watches, and tap on the I button next to the Apple Watch name and unpair. Verify and unpair. Next, your iPhone will ask to enter your Apple ID for Apple Watch activation. Now your unpaired Apple Watch will see message, bring iPhone near Apple Watch. Pop-up will appear on your iPhone screen. If the pop-up is not shown on the screen, then pair it with the Watch app. Tap on Start Pairing option on the screen. Now, select Set Up Yourself option, or what you would like to prefer. Now, hold your Apple Watch up to the camera. Align it with the viewfinder above. That's an easy method to set up your Apple Watch with a new iPhone. Follow the on-screen process to pair the Apple Watch to your new iPhone. During this process, you have to enter your Apple Watch lock screen passcode. Later on, Apple Watch will begin syncing data like contacts, messages, and health data from your new iPhone. Make sure both devices are charged and remain close together during this process. I hope you liked this video. Also, don't miss to like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos. Comment for more help.